Hello, this is Mr. B-Man coming to you from Mr. Willie B's Apiary in Jasper, Tennessee, where you can get the best nucs, the best queen bees ever. He has requested of me to do my popular song called I'm the Bee-Man, and this is how it goes. Dun, 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 dun. I saw a pretty flower sitting all alone. I said to myself, well, doggone. I stopped and asked if I could have a little sip. She said, get gone, boy, cause you ain't no pimp. I said, you must not know who I am. She says, who do you think you are, man? I'm the Bee-Man. Yes, I have. I'm the Bee-Man. Yes, I am. I drink your nectar like it's the sweetest wine. Tickle your petals from the front to behind. Have your honey dripping like it's on a tap. Make you think you're having a heart attack. Oh, it's no secret about what I can do. Cause baby, you know I'll be good to you. Cause I'm the Bee-Man. Yes, I am. I'm the Bee-Man. Yes, I am. Can I light on your flower, baby? Can I light on your flower, baby? Can I light on your flower, baby? I need some of your sweet loving. I'll make you my queen, and I'll be your king, giving you something you ain't never ever seen. Whenever your flower needs pollinate, I'll be the one that do the oscillate. Cause there's no secret about what I can do. Cause baby, you know I'll be good to you. Cause I'm the Bee-Man. Yes, I am. Boom.
And there you go, ladies and gentlemen.
Mr. Bee-Man.
Mr. Bee-Man, Darrell Cunningham.
Check me out. Go check my video out. It's on iTunes, Spotify, and YouTube. Mr. Bee-Man, I'm the Bee-Man. The name of the song is called I'm the Bee-Man.
I'll put the links down in below in the description. Give you a shout out on everything else. And then we'll get Miss Belinda in here.
Yes. Miss Belinda's just paying for her bees.
Hit that like and subscribe.